So I'm attempting to basically set up n8n on Ubuntu Linux. So let me first enter the full mode here in VM. So if you go to n8n website, you will notice the option to self-host within the docs, right? So I check that particular option to use Docker. Alternatively, considering we are trying to set up the community edition, we will be given option to set up using n8n in npm or Docker, right? So let me check the option for npm. So here you see currently you can use the npx n8n option, right? Or you can install globally with this global command. So we will copy this. Next we will be opening the terminal, right? So here I can paste the command and then hit enter. So it will even ask me for the password just in case if some of the components which would require sudo. If not, we are good to go with the setup, right? Now one thing to do is at the time of license key, considering we are on community edition, it would still expect us to sign in, right? So we'll use that and then we will get the key in the email and enter it to finish the setup. Now you will notice that the packages will be included here along with some of the SDKs. As you can see, Anthropic, OpenRouter, XAI, and so on. So this is assuming some of the providers have given you the option to set it up. Now here you can see the Hermes agent was running in the background, which has acted up. So I have to close that and move on to our n8n setup. Now as you can see, the OpenRouter one and few other providers are also added. Most likely we will be making use of OpenRouter key as it has some of the free models that we can use with n8n. Most of the other paid ones I'm going to skip in, considering a lot of them have decided against OpenClaw, n8n and Hermes agent. So I'm not using Claude for that, and also I think it won't be right to use Gemini either, considering a lot of issues lately. So we will stick with OpenRouter and use some of the models like GLM or Minimax M25 for that, right? So that would be another change to consider here. Okay, so once the packages are in setup, you can just close the terminal and restart again. Now if you type in npx and then n8n, it would go through whole setup and it will open up within the browser, and here you have to register in order to get the key. Once you add your specific details, it will then let you log in. Can explain it as some basic usage, considering I'm not doing anything specific as such. Let's say I want to use it for IT, then what you wish to automate, you can say, let's say monitoring, then how many for myself, how big is company, less than 20, how did you hear, and then get started, right? You can skip this and also get the license key through your email, right? It will be sent, and then here you can see within the new chat part, here we start. Now here you see we are supposed to add the license key through settings, and here we have to find the license key part, right? So let me check where I'm supposed to plug that in. Also make sure to open the license key link from the email, and then here you are supposed to enter the activation key from usage and plan. Here you can see the community edition being added, so I will try to enter the activation key here. Right, so once everything is done, you can see the n8n that shows up like this. Right, so this is pretty much it for the setting up on Ubuntu.